Thursday, the 12th of February, 2026. The year is already getting away from us. Getting towards the back half of winter. Please like, share, and subscribe. About 54 degrees, going to about 60. Down to about 37 tonight, back up to about 55 tomorrow, and 37 again, somewhere in those ranges. Hang with us. We are about, our plan right now is to head to South Georgia for video and photos over the week of Sunday, so maybe heading out Sunday, possibly Saturday, but probably Sunday, maybe even Monday. Stay down there maybe 4 or 5 days a week. We haven't had a road trip in a while, and we are very anxious. We're pent up, cabin fever. We're on US Highway 78. We're headed west. We are between Athens and Hog Mountain Road. Georgia Highway 53 is coming up here on the left. Striplings is here on the left. We're going to get something to eat. We're going to the store down here in Walton County. We're going to cross over the Appalachian River. Striplings is a nice place. I like all their setup and everything, but there's very little of their hot food that I've actually gotten where I like. I know it's good stuff. People keep going there and they do well, but it's just not what I particularly like for whatever reason. I don't know what that is, but every business can't please everybody. We have products on the YouTube channel, and you can see those products. We've got to update all of that, but we have just opened a Redbubble account. We're going to start putting projects or artwork on Redbubble. There'll be all kind of stuff you can buy: shower curtains, spiral notebooks, posters. I mean, just all kind of stuff. Coffee cups. About anything you can think of, really. So when I get that up, it'll take about 5 days, I think, for them to check everything out and me to get all the information in and everything. And I'll try to put a link to it or see if I can attach to YouTube. I don't know if I can or not, but I'll try to drop a link. It may not be a live link, but I'll try to drop a link in a YouTube channel description. But I think we're going to have some interesting stuff. Coming around this little curve and down to the Appalachian River Bridge. They left one of the older bridges in place down here. And one of my friends that I have watches a lot of my videos, and he has videos as well, has told me the designation for this. He's worked with a lot of, I think he said he worked with the company that made the I-beams and stuff, the concrete stuff to support these new type bridges. And he said the terminology for this bridge was abandoned in place. And I like that. I don't know what year that was built. I don't think it's got the stamps on it, date stamps. And we've just crossed over into Walton County from Oconee County. We're going to try to get some other posters and other videos, short videos, and try to putting also some short videos and stuff on Pond 5. We've opened an account at Pond 5, but we don't have anything to get on there yet. Or we have stuff, we just haven't pulled it out and actually processed it. We have been shopping at the store up here for years. They have changed hands. I think, foreigners have bought all these little stores. I think foreigners own this store now, but they're still keeping the same basic food line and stuff. And so they usually have a very good cheeseburger. It's a little bit more than I like to pay, but a very good cheeseburger and a fry. Give you a lot of fries. We've got a drink, but I think you get the drink for about the same price. Seems like it's about $11. And I normally don't spend anywhere near that kind of money for lunch, but I'm hungry, want a burger, and aggravated messing with Adobe Photoshop trying to get these posters just right. Get some pictures and stuff up in maybe another site too. We may end up with 3 or 4 different stores. We've got to generate some passive income. This YouTube is nowhere near paying for itself, and I don't know that it ever will. I think it will. I think it's got great potential. We're documenting things the way they are now, and we've been doing this for about 7 years now, so we're starting to get some age on some videos, and 15, 20 years from now, people are going to want to see what these roads look like before all these apartments and subdivisions and data centers showed up. I really wish I had video of Alpharetta and North Fulton and Dunwoody back in the 60s and 70s before that blew up. But that's what we're trying to do, document, historical documentation for future. I mean, you ride along here on 78, I mean, I remember we used to come this way when 78 was 2-lane. I wish I had video of that. Coming down through Stone Mountain when it's 2-lane before the park. But we'll be having stuff depending on how the technology develops at YouTube. YouTube could go away, but hopefully they would convert it over to some other type of format where all of the videos would be archived and people would have all of that. We've got over 3,900 videos now. It's a great archival record of the southeast U.S., mostly Georgia, but we've gone as far as Mississippi, North Carolina. We got to Kentucky once, the lower end of Kentucky, Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, South and North Carolina. So we're trying to branch out this year, and we're using this 2019. I think we're going to keep it and convert it over. It saves us a lot of gas. Thing is, if it gets broken, I can't work on this thing hardly any. I've got to get a HVAC control module for it now. The blower doesn't work. Quit on me. But here is a store. Let's go in here and see if they have that cheeseburger. It's $12.15. See if we can get that cheeseburger combo. Loganville is what, 5 miles ahead, something like that. He's going to stop. Okay, let's pull in here and see if we can get us a bite to eat. It's not very crowded. Don't know that they still have lunch. We'll see. We'll find out here shortly. I hope they do. We're hungry. Okay, this video will be long enough. We're going to post it, I suspect.